I don't know what's going to happen, but I think just being open to being hurt has probably I feel like one of the greatest acts of courage that I've had. And just trusting God that, like, hey, she fought, I would say, during the marriage. Like, she tried, in her version, she tried, and now, I'm trying to preserve like what we have, and now she's on her journey to figure out if she wants to try again. And I think just not quitting has been huge. And we built this beautiful home in Franklin, Tennessee, and I felt God ordained that and guided us there for our kids. We found an incredible classical Christian school, and I've held on to this vision. I, in fact, heard God say, hang on to the house.
Mm.
And I said, why? And he said, you'll see.